Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Git and GitHub introduction. So let's get started. Okay. So here you can see what is Git. Git is a popular version control system. Okay, and it is used for tracking code changes, tracking who made the change, and coding collaboration. What does Git do? Manage our project with the repository, clone a project to work on a local copy, okay, control and track the changes with staging and committing, merge and branch to allow to work on different versions of a project, pull the latest version of the project to a copy, local copy, okay, and push local updates to the main project. Whatever changes we will be doing now, it will give to another person, that is you can think of sitting in another location, can receive that updates. Okay, so working with Git, initialize Git on a folder, making it as a repository. First we make a repository. Now we have created a hidden folder to keep the track of the changes in that folder. When a file is changed, added, deleted, it's called a modification. Okay, you can select the modified file and you want to stage files are committed, which prompt Git to store permanent snapshot of the file. Git allows you to see the full history of every commit. You can check all the history of the commits which you do. Means after you think of after doing any changes, okay, you check there's some changes what I have done. You can see it and you can commit that changes. Okay, this now Git allow, okay, you can revert back to a previous comment also you can do. Git does not support a separate copy of every file in every commit, but keeps the track of changes of each commit. Okay, why Git? Because over 70% developers use Git. Okay, developer can work together from anywhere in the world. Okay, developer can see the full history of the project. Developer can revert to earlier version of project. Okay, and what is GitHub? GitHub is not the same as GitHub. Okay, Git is not same as GitHub. GitHub makes tools that use Git. Okay, GitHub is the largest source of source code in the world and has been owned by Microsoft. Okay, so now I will be explaining you Git in our next lecture. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, please do comment. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and do share. Thank you. Bye bye.